Your headset is paired.
Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sena, and this revolutionary 30K features both Mesh Intercom and Bluetooth. But how do you use it? Let's start with public mode. First, turn the 30K headset on by holding the jog dial and the phone button at the same time. You will hear
System starting.
And then
Hello.
Tap the Mesh Intercom button once. The LED turns green and you hear the voice prompt that says
Mesh Intercom on public mode.
The 30K will scan for any nearby headsets also in public mode within the range of about a mile and automatically connect with them. Public mode is the easiest way to quickly connect with other riders and has a virtually unlimited number of possible connections. In public mode, the 30K will not store information about the other headsets like it will in private mode. Participants can easily drift in and out of the Mesh Intercom if they enter or leave the range. Pretty much meaning anyone who comes within range of the Mesh Intercom will easily join or can leave without disrupting the others, and the others' headsets will not actively look and search for that headset. For more information, visit Sena.com or check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutorials on how to use the 30K.